back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back. And for those of you who are new, hi, my name is Aman, and in this channel you will find me guiding you through each step and showing you all step by step on how to create these easy to make, creative, inexpensive DIY projects. Also, if you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a post on this channel. Now, as you may have already read from today's title, I will be showing you step by step on how to create these easy to make, creative DIY Christmas ornaments. And in my previous video, I actually did make a video on for beginners mainly, which was a easy to make DIY Christmas ornaments. This is more a little advanced with more creative way to create DIY Christmas tree ornaments. So I do hope you all enjoy watching today's video. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video. I will be announcing a giveaway contest that I'm going to be doing for this Christmas. So be sure to watch till the end. So without taking much of your time, let's dive into the video, and without further ado, let's begin with the video. This Christmas ornament, first you're going to need is some green glitter, a clear plastic ornament, some glue, a glass marker in a black color, paintbrush, and yellow paint. First, I'm going to start with grabbing a clear plastic ornament, take off the lid, and add some white glue. And using a paintbrush, I'm just gonna squeeze in some glue inside and then use a paintbrush to spread the glue all around from the inside of the ornament. And once that's nicely spread, I'm going to use some green color glitter and I'm just going to add that inside. Now, using my hands, I'm going to slowly rotate the ornament until I start to cover the entire ornament, starting from the bottom and going up all the way to the top. Once that's complete, now I'm going to start off by first grabbing a glass marker in the color black, and I'm going to start drawing out the Grinch's face, starting with the eyes of course, and then the nose, and then the eyebrows. And once the face is complete, now it's time to paint the eyes, which I'm going to be painting yellow. Once that's complete, here is the finished look once it's all dried up. To make this next Christmas ornament, you're going to need some rose gold or gold glitter, a clear ornament, some glue, a glass marker in a color black, paintbrush, and paints in the color red and white. Now, using the same steps that we used to make the first Christmas ornament, I'm just going to follow the same steps using some glue inside the ornament and then adding glitter all around. And then once that's complete, for this Christmas ornament, I'm going to be making Rudolph. So it's going to be Rudolph's face that's going to be going on the ornament. First starting off with the eyes and then painting the eyes from the outside white. And then next, to make the nose, I'm going to use some red paint, and since his nose is like a red circle, I'm going to make the same exact mouth as shown on the picture, and I'm just gonna scrape off some of the white paint to make the smile, of course. And once that is complete, here is the finished look of the second Christmas ornament. To make this next Christmas ornament, you're going to need some silver or white glitter, a clear plastic ornament, some glue, a glass marker in the color black, a paintbrush, paint in the colors of red and white, and a Sharpie marker in the color red that is optional. Following the same steps as used for the first Christmas ornament, I'm going to be doing the same exact thing, and once that's complete, now it's time to draw out Frosty the Snowman. That's the ornament that we're going to be making. I made the red nose using a red Sharpie marker. If you don't have paint, you can simply use a red permanent marker. Using the picture as a reference, I'm going to be drawing out Frosty's face on the ornament. And once that's complete, I'm going to use some red paint to make it look more nice and red, and finish off the ornament by coloring the lid using a black glass marker. And once that is fully complete, here is the finished look. And that is it, folks. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from today's video. And so if you haven't yet, be sure to give this video a like if you did like today's video. Like, comment, share it to someone who it could be helpful to. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It really keeps me motivated on building better and more content for you guys on this channel. So be sure to give this channel some love and support by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified each time I post a new video on this channel. Also, I have a quick announcement to make. I will be doing a Christmas giveaway contest this year, and this is actually my first time doing a giveaway contest, so I'm actually really excited as well. I know a lot of you guys were asking me on Instagram that you guys would love to see giveaways on my channel, so here it is. I'm going to be doing a Christmas giveaway. Because this is actually my first time doing a giveaway contest, I actually wanted to start a little small and then go further on with bigger prizes. Here is the giveaway prize that you will be winning. The first thing is a paint set that comes with 16 different beautiful colors. Second is a 7 set of different sized paint brushes and a beautiful white canvas. Unfortunately, this is not going to be an international giveaway. Do not lose your hope. You will still be eligible to enter in any of the other giveaway contests that will be happening in the future. To win this giveaway prize, here are the steps that you need to follow. First is that you must live in Canada. Unfortunately, this is not an international giveaway, but don't worry, there will be more coming in the future. You need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and if you are already a subscriber, that's great. Be sure to give this video a like, comment down, enter, and what province and city you live in. Bonus is follow my accounts, both my Instagram and TikTok, to get a higher chance to win the giveaway prize. And good luck to all of you. Today's video shoutout goes to Nick Slong. Shout out to you. In order to get a video shoutout, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you'll be easily entered in to get a shout out in my next video. So whenever I'm posting my new video, I always give all my video updates on my Instagram. So if you haven't yet followed my Instagram, be sure to follow my Instagram. It is _Amanpreet Matharu. Here is the name of my username. Also, for some more quick and easy DIY projects and some arts and crafts videos, don't forget to follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is also _Amanpreet Matharu. Here is the name of my username, so be sure to follow me on both my Instagram and my TikTok. Thank you so much once again for watching today's video, and I will be coming back very soon with another Christmas special videos. Also, if you haven't checked out my vlog channel, be sure to check out my vlog channel as well. Take care, stay safe, and happy holidays to you and your family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!